So here is my nicely here, as you can see. This is my meat. I put stockfish. This is stockfish, as you can see. Stockfish, some stockfish here, some, I don't know how they call this meat. Is it gizzard? So I'm using charcoal. I'm using charcoal. Charcoal, I can't be like charcoal now. So this is it. This is the meat. Let me show you guys what I'm using. All the ingredients now. This is the bitter leaf. I wash it now. It's not that much, so I wash it like fast. This is my bitter leaf. Yeah, I want to buy ugu in the market. When I go back, they don't have it, so I have this bitter leaf tree in my house, so I just wash it and use it. This is the Ogbono I'm using. This is how I bought it. This is the red oil right here. This is the crayfish. This is the onions. I used one already, or even two. And this is the fish I'm using with the meat. This is the fish. Delicious fish. I bought some ogre. You guys know ogre, right? This is it. And I bought apple the swallow that you do with the soup. This is it. It's fresh too. See? So that's it. The meat is cooking. I'm going to wash this leaf, then I add it to the soup. Keep on watching.
So at this point, I'm frying the ogbono very well. You have to fry it very well before you add everything. You know, I add the meat stock, the water of the meat. I add it already. So, and if you do not turn it very well, it's going to thick on the pot. Here I'm adding water to it because it was too thick. Then I'm adding water to make it to lose a little. This ogbono is very good. It's a good one because it's thick. It thick very well. So I'm turning it very well so that it won't burn down on the pot under the. Now I'm adding my meat and my stock fish. This is cow meat that I cooked before, and adding it to you see that one that remain. I'm eating it. I'm going to eat it. So right now I'm adding the pepper. This is Cameroon pepper. Then after the pepper, I will add the crayfish. I will add the Maggi too. So this is the crayfish I'm adding to the soup. It's grounded crayfish, so that it bring out the taste of the soup. This is the Maggi I'm adding now. And this fly that are just disturbing up and down is because of the ogre. That ogre gets smell, so it attracts fly. That's why. So I turn it very well. Then that is it. So it's almost done.
Guys, when I was adding all the remaining ingredients, this camera off, I don't know, because I put it on the ring light, so I thought that it was recording, only for me to check. It was not recording anything. So this is the final look of the soup. I've added everything: crayfish, the stockfish, the meat, the fish, everything, pepper, Maggi, salt, and the bitter leaf. This is the bitter leaf I was washing earlier. So let me just cover it up and allow it to boil very well. Then the soup is done. Yeah, let me cover it to cook well, then I remove it from the fire. It's done already.